Hi guys! Oh, we are smudgy. Welcome to the vlog! So I'm currently at the post office getting ready to send out my giveaway winners their packages. I finally got everyone's address and I finally got everyone's choices and gifts. So I'm super excited to send these bags, or envelopes if you will, out to the winners. They're filled with a bunch of goodies. Woohoo! And I just love giving back. Even if it's small amounts, I just love giving back because I would be nowhere without my subbies. And I love you guys. Sent to millybillytrilly. All of you. Anyways, enough sappy, enough corny. I have a few more errands to run, but today I'm feeling really good. I have been feeling very tired and very just like not myself towards the end of this pregnancy. I am ready to get this girl out. Someone's looking at me. Hold on. Bye. But today I'm feeling really good. I woke up in a good mood, and so therefore we are gonna vlog. I'm keeping up with my water intake. Started taking date shakes yesterday. Not really a fan of dates by themselves, but I will say date in a shake isn't bad. And I want to try this recipe. You guys have probably heard of it because it's like viral, but it's the date with the peanut butter and the chocolate, and you freeze it and it's supposed to taste like a Snicker bar. So yeah, quick little grocery trip after this. Get the last few things for my hospital bag. We can pack that today. And it's just gonna be a really good day. Then on Monday I have a photo shoot. It's like kind of really freaking expensive, but it's my maternity photo shoot. I wanted to go all out for it. It's in a studio. It's going to be amazing. Her work is incredible. Like, I literally cannot wait for you guys to see what this looks like. And then I'm sorry, people are just like staring at me from every angle. Vlogger. And then Tuesday I have an ultrasound appointment, which I'm so excited. It's her growth scan, so I get to see how much she weighs, what she's measuring, all that kind of stuff, and I'm so excited just to see her again. I haven't seen her since 29 weeks. Every time I see her in ultrasound, I just get so emotional, like hearing her heartbeat and just seeing her, and I just literally love her so much already, and I cannot wait for her to be here. So I'm like, so excited. Today is actually my Pap's 71st birthday. Like, you would never know he's 71. And tonight I think we're gonna be having like lobster. Okay, I'm rambling like the usual. What else was the 25th though? Oh, and her stroller comes and the rocking chair that I bought for her room comes. So I did end up getting her stroller. I did not go through with the, I think I actually already talked about this. Yeah, I actually filmed a clip yesterday. Let me insert that. Let me go take this in. Let's get this day going. I'm talking too much. I literally already filmed this part. So insert those clips from yesterday. Hey, finally purchased a stroller online through Bye Bye Baby. Ended up going with the Maxi-Cosi Adora 5-in-1. We spent a little over $600 instead of $1,400, so I feel happy about saving the money, but I love it. So hopefully it comes in enough time to test it out and really see if we're gonna love it, and if I don't, then I'm gonna get that Apple Baby Vista because I know I love it. I tested it, I tried it, it's gorgeous. But I just cannot wrap my head around $1,400 for a stroller and a car seat. Okay, I need to know, what is the hype about this giraffe? It's a $30 giraffe. We just completed our trip to Target and I'm very impressed with myself because I got things that I actually needed. I did not go too far off into Target land and, you know, buy things you don't need. I did buy her an outfit. I can't not buy her an outfit every time I freaking go there. Yeah, Sweet Tooth kicked in. I got these from Target. I think they're probably melted, so that's just wonderful. But they're 100-calorie ice cream sandwiches. They're so tiny. So yummy though. I think I'm nesting. I said that before, but before I had no desire to do anything but lay around do nothing and like fully milk the pregnancy. But these last like 2-3 days, I've been getting stuff done. Did some cleaning yesterday. We're feeling good. We're feeling good. I just got home and someone is very excited to see me. Hi, I love you so much. I love you so much. I just poked him straight in the eye. Okay, I'm back home. Obviously behind me, we did a little bit of grocery shopping. Right here, as you guys can see, we have packed up Christmas decorations. Christmas tree just needs to be put in storage. My Pap's 71st birthday. So I got a chocolate cake and a vanilla cake, and these are not vegan, so I got myself some cupcakes. And then the 71 candles. Okay, this will make the perfect tripod. But I got us a sushi party platter, and oh my gosh, I just took one bite of the caterpillar roll, and it was delicious. I'm just getting the peanut butter out, and that's what you're sitting on. Check it out. Ooh, here's the vegan cupcakes, plant-based. So me and my mom can have these tonight when everyone else is having a regular cake. And I got my Sammy a carrot cake because it's his favorite and I love him. And this carrot cake is like, look at that. That is fancy. We are layered. Woo! Oh my gosh. Got my choppies. We need a little bit of edamame, some ginger to cleanse the palate. You guys do not know that's what the ginger's for. Oh my gosh. I just want to eat. You know what? You don't get my face. We tried the caterpillar already. Let's try this one next to it. There's some spicy mayo on it. I eat eggs if it's in things. Mmm. Now that one. What is on that? A little crab. And also I do not get raw fish. Being pregnant. I forgot the wasabi. Oh my gosh. All right, ginger. Plain California roll. I bought this so me and Sam could share it for lunch, but he's not here. He's gonna make me eat way more than I should. This one's the best. I'm eating over all his sushi. This tempura is actually fried onion. Wow, it's so good. I am also making sugar cookies. They're cooking. I'm gonna put them like all around the cake. It's gonna be so cute. Well, only 2, 4, 6, 8 cookies survived because I'm embarrassed to even show this, but yeah. I had to go to the bathroom and I thought you would take care of it, but he didn't. And I come out of the bathroom and this is what we have. What a shame. Candles in. I'm gonna go put this over in the fridge, and then these are for me and my mom. Anyone else who wants one, but me and my mom definitely. And then this is for Sandy.
Oh, hold on.
Getting up there. Got another good 30 years left. That's it. Happy birthday to me.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Big Mom. Happy birthday to you. You gotta make a wish. Really think.
Like, make the best wish
think about
you
that
can.
wish, Ron. Really.
Please bring me home.
Give me a new deer. Give me a albino buck, or give me something, right?
Oh, I want the biggest buck out there.
Oh yeah. Hold on. I gotta.
What the heck are you doing?
Oh, you don't want me
Sierra
sitting
will
on the
flip
cake.
out. Blow, Ron.
Don't
blow.
blow on the cake.
She won't eat it.
No, it's not me.
Yay!
It's both of them.
It's you.
It's
No,
both of you.
that's it. I'm-
Crib is in. I'm gonna turn these lights on so they can see it at night. Look at it in my camera. It's massive. Ready for bed? Dad? have this huge pile of all of her clothes up until 3 months. It's all freshly washed. And I'm so excited to just hang everything up. Okay, we are making progress. Everything is getting all hung up. We have PJs and onesies and stuff like that all folded right here. And I'm about to empty some diapers. I have some Pampers and I have some, what is this? Hello Bello. I'm gonna do both of those. I also have Huggies and I also have Honest. So I have 4 different diaper brands, but it's good to try them all. And I'm gonna put them in this drawer because this is right under the changing table. So we have some wipes, some butt paste and all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna put some diapers here and then... Valentine's Day is coming up and I really want to get some cute Valentine's Day nails. So I'm going to pop up 4 options on the screen. Comment down below what your favorite one is. Speaking of Valentine's Day, chocolate. You guys know. If you watch my Christmas vlogs, you already know. My dad got me a king size bar. Like, does this not remind you of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory? Like, the golden chocolate bar with the golden ticket inside. I have been slamming spicy food on the daily. I love it so much, I can't get enough. But then like later I have to have a chocolate, I have to have sweets, like every single day. It's getting out of control. Do you guys want to see my belly? Oh my gosh. We are huge. I'm really doing the most. It's literally only 2:38 in the afternoon. I already had lunch, I already had breakfast. I'm just having a casual snack. I've also really been eating a ton of pickles and drinking a lot of apple juice. I remember when I literally like said that I would be the healthiest version of myself when I'm pregnant. Don't get me wrong, I still eat healthy every single day. I still eat healthy food. I just eat junk food as well every day in this 3rd trimester. It's just hilarious to me how I thought that I would like basically be living off of green juices and vegetables. My go-tos have just happened to be spicy food and junk food. Whatever, I'm 9 months pregnant, there's nothing wrong with that. Also, in case you guys want to see a bump date, my belly button is so ugly, so if you want to skip past this, I totally understand. It freaks me out too. This is a scar from belly button piercing. So if you don't have kids yet, but you plan on having kids and you don't have your belly button pierced, just save yourself the time. Don't pierce your belly button before you have kids. If you already have your belly button pierced, which probably do, sorry, it's gonna get a little crazy up in here. But we do have this line, I forget what it's called. It's very normal, literally like every pregnant woman gets it. I have it down to the vajayjay, and then I'm starting to get a light one on the top. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not too prominent, but. And then here's the side. We don't have any stretch marks yet. Never say never. It's probably not too late. But yeah, here is Belly. She is a big girl. It's just crazy because literally everybody told me how slow pregnancy usually goes for people. Like everyone's saying it's gonna go by so slow. I feel like this was the fastest thing that I've ever done in my life. Like it just blew by. I feel like I literally found out I was pregnant yesterday. I'm thinking nap time. I got this package in the mail from Skin Proud from Walmart, and honestly this collection looks amazing. It's 100% vegan. It sent me the entire collection and it honestly looks amazing. So real quick, there's an Unplug Pore Detox Clay Mask, and this packaging is literally my whole aesthetic. Detox Tonic, Velvet Cloud Cleanser Whipped Mousse Cleanser. A nice little refresher, hydrating mist. We have these two. One is called Smooth Talk, 2% hyaluronic acid serum, and Bright Boost. Why is my camera having trouble focusing right now? Which is 2% vitamin C serum. This is the Everything Balm, the Frozen Over Gel to Ice Hydrator. Ooh, that's for like the puffy eye days. And then we have the Sleep Hero Overnight Sleep Mask. And then lastly, the Sorbet Skin Everyday Jelly Moisturizer. I literally was just about to go to Target and grab some more moisturizer and stuff, but I think I'm gonna give this brand a try. I'll keep you guys updated.